Hey, what's up guys? Look at this. I have two Galaxy devices, S21 FE with running One UI 8 and Samsung S23 FE with running One UI 8.5. Let me show you. Look at this. This is One UI 8 and this is One UI 8.5. And today in this video, I'm going to show you adaptive clock with side-by-side comparison. Guys, adaptive clock completely fixed in One UI 8.5. But before start, guys, ignore this white line in S21 FE. This white line suddenly appear after March security patch update. Guys, remember, always charge your device at least 60% before update and update your device in cool temperature. Okay, now let me show you. Look at this adaptive clock in One UI 8.5 and this is One UI 8. Look at this adaptive clock not working properly in One UI 8. Look at this. But after One UI 8.5 update, a big improvement in adaptive clock. Look at this. Okay, let me show you with another wallpaper. Look at this. I set same wallpaper in both devices, but in One UI 8.5, adaptive clock automatically set in lock screen with according your wallpaper. But in One UI 8, adaptive clock not working properly. Look at this. Horizontal or vertical in both not working properly. But in One UI 8.5, look at this. In horizontal and vertical working properly in One UI 8.5. Okay, guys, let me show you another wallpaper. Look at this. This is landscape Spider-Man wallpaper. Adaptive clock running smoothly in One UI 8.5. But in One UI 8, adaptive clock not working properly. Now look at this big improvement in adaptive clock in One UI 8.5. This is completely changed in One UI 8.5 and set automatically according to wallpaper. But in One UI 8, still adaptive clock not working properly. So guys, wait for One UI 8.5 update and this adaptive clock completely fix on your Galaxy devices. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.